Kidz.
Picture description.
This is a happy family having a picnic in the park. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. There are butterflies flying around the family. The family is sitting on a red and white picnic mat. The father and mother are smiling and enjoying the day. The little girl is sitting and eating a sandwich. The boy is playing with a beach ball near the mat. There is a brown dog lying next to the mat. A picnic basket with fruits and drinks is on the mat.
Two.
Cups of juice are placed near the basket. It is a perfect place to relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.